95 or 96% completed with this project. Today we installed the panels that you see here. We installed these panels with the glass and another section of panels on the other side. I'll go ahead and show you guys the view. This panel here, George, I believe, has the measurements, so we can confirm with him before we leave. This section is complete, which came out really, really nice. This piece of glass was way too big, so we could not put that one on. And there's the other section of fencing we did. Also, we have to get measurements for that final panel because that panel did not reach over there, which is fine because the fencing was moved further back. But that's about it, guys. Another beautiful project by Mulholland.